Let us prepare brinjal podi curry with freshly ground masala powder and no coconut.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a heated kadai, take 1 tablespoon jeera, 2 to 3 dry red chili. Fry them until the jeera splutters. Keep them aside. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Fry them until they turn slightly brown in color. Keep them aside. Take 2 tablespoon dry peanuts. Dry roast them. Coarse grind all these ingredients into powder without any water. Now take 3 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon chana dal, some curry leaves. Fry them until they splutter. Add cut brinjal. Soak the brinjal in water until you cook so that they don't turn dark in color. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and add salt as needed. Give this a good mix. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Continue to cover and cook them until the brinjal turns soft. Once they turn soft, add the ground masala powder. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground masala powder. Give this a good mix. Tasty brinjal podi curry without coconut is ready. The freshly ground masala powder adds extra flavor and aroma to the curry. Please do give this a try and share your feedback in comments. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.